Alrighty everybody, Ian over here at EXO. Today we're working on a 96 Z3. Customer brought it in. Starter's bad, alternator is bad as well. Customer supplied his own parts. They are used. This is one reason why we always recommend that you just go ahead and get the parts through us. Because one, we offer a 24,000 2-year warranty. And as well, now this guy had to pay me 2 hours labor so that we could replace his alternator so that it could sound like this. So, hopefully in the future, this guy will listen to our recommendations of getting a brand new part with a warranty. Yep, that's our daily upload for Thursday.